Hey everyone, in exercises 13 and 14, we're going to use the following information. So we have similar triangles. I took the liberty and drew a sketch of the two triangles and matched up my angles here so that they match up. I have 10, 14, and 20 inches for triangle RST. And I wrote those down. So it's 10, 14, and 20. And then the altitude from here to this corner up here down is 6.5. Now it says the shortest side of this triangle, WXY, is 15. So since they're similar, that means that goes with the 10. So we have to find the lengths of the other two sides of W, X, and Y. The first thing I want to do is find the scale factor. So the scale factor is basically what you multiply to get from 10 to 15. This is all we know. We have 10 and 15. So if I do 10 divided by 15 and reduce that, that's going to give me 2/3. So basically, if I take 2/3 of 15, that's going to give me 10. So 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. So our scale factor equals 2/3. And that's going to help us out with the other ones. Okay, so let's find all the sides. So the scale factor, we want XY. So we know that 14 equals 2/3 of XY. So multiply both sides by 3/2. And when you multiply those two, that's going to cancel. So 2 goes into 14 7 times, and 7 times 3 is 21. All right, and we do it again for WY. So I know 20 equals 2/3 of WY. So multiply both sides by 3/2 to isolate my WY. When you multiply those two, it will cancel. 2 goes into 20 10 times, and 10 times 3 is 30. So we found the lengths, and now we just have to find this X here. So we have 15, 21, and 30. So it'll be 21 and 30. Now we just have to find this. So all you have to do is say, we could say 10. Let's look at this one. 10 is to, we need to use this. So 10 is to 6.5 as 15 is to X. I can rewrite that and write it as X is to 15 as 6.5 is to 10. And when you cross multiply, and I'm going to do it up here because I'm running out of room, I'm going to have X equals 15 times 6.5 divided by 10. And when you calculate that, that's going to give you 9.75 inches. And of course, all of these are in inches. When you write your answer, you should write inches here. So this would equal 9.75 inches. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.